Hi, my name is Aaron, and I just wanted to make a video to thank Brandon and the program that he has. I joined his program about a year and a half ago, actually, because a friend of mine that I have a lot of respect for recommended Brandon's program and said this is a legit business and you should check it out. And I didn't do too much for I kind of putsied around for about 6 months. Then I got started. I launched a few products. And it was exactly like Brandon said. One of the products didn't do that good. One of the products is okay that we're going to cut, and one of them is doing pretty good. It's making about $500 to $1,000 a week in profit, which is kind of nice. And what's great about Brandon's training is that in my experience, he keeps revamping the training because Amazon's always updating. And this year alone, they've rolled out a lot of training that's been more updated. And a lot of it is right to the point. It's really fantastic. I mean, it's organized. They have PowerPoints, it's nuts and bolts, and it's like exactly what to do step by step. So you can just take action and you don't really have to guess on what to do. So it's been fantastic. I've been using their software Data Dive, which is great. We've been pounding that out. And I'm still kind of in the beginning processes, but I got a few products now that we've been ordered that are either getting made, and we're kind of starting our next round of products to get them into Amazon and hopefully keep growing the business. So thank you again, Brandon Young. If you're thinking about joining the program, I do recommend it. There's a lot of in my experience, there's a lot of high-end sellers in there too. I mean, a lot of people are massively proactive. I've been in different Facebook groups, depending on for different things, and you can tell the people in his group are very proactive. They're very on it. They're very professional. It's a higher level type of person. And I almost always get answers right away to questions that I have. And if not, Brandon has it's usually once a week. He's got like a live training where you can get on and ask him questions. And even though he does about $30 million a year in sales, he answers the questions as well, which I really like. And you can tell he cares about the students too. He'll sit there, he'll think about it. You can tell he gives thought to the answers to each of the questions, which is fantastic. So that's it. I'll see you guys.